Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I hate having to constantly clean my microwave. So when I discovered this incredible microwave splatter cover from LORESO, I thought, yes, finally something that is going to end the battle of microwave splatter. You simply place it in your microwave and it's going to cover anything that you have to heat up. Now, I use this for like the worst possible thing, which is pasta sauce, red sauce to be heated up. And I have to say, I am so impressed by how well it covered it, kept it from dirtying my microwave, but it also has vents. So my food was able to heat up well inside. When you grab it, it's got a heat resistant knob at the top, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, Sarah, it saves my microwave from being dirty, but now I have one more thing I have to clean. So how does that save me any time? Well, you can just put this right in your dishwasher, done, and it's clean. You can also hand wash it if you want to, but once it's cleaned and you just pop it right back in the microwave, it just sits in there waiting for anybody who's gonna microwave something so they don't forget where it is. But if you wanna store it, it collapses to a smaller size, making it very easy for storage. I feel like this microwave splatter cover is going to save so many arguments in the family, because have you ever said, who made a mess in the microwave? Well, this is gonna solve that problem for you so effectively, so easily. I love the glass. I love the fact that it has vents. It's collapsible, so it's easy for storage, and it has that heat resistant top, so I'm not worried about burning myself when I go in and grab it. So do yourself a favor and your family a favor and end the argument of who made the microwave dirty by simply solving that problem with this amazing microwave splatter guard. And that is my point of view.